After Elsa melted the frozen forest, everything came back to life. The trees were green, the animals were happy, and the sun shone brightly. Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and Olaf returned to Arendelle, feeling proud of what they had done. But one day, Anna rushed into Elsa's room. Elsa. Something's wrong. The lake near the castle is freezing, and it's almost spring. Elsa looked out the window and saw frost spreading over the water. Her heart sank. The magic from the forest, it's not gone, she said. We have to go back. Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and Olaf quickly packed their things and traveled to the enchanted forest. When they got there, the trees whispered softly, like they were trying to tell a secret. It feels spooky, Olaf said, shivering. And I like spooky stuff, usually. Elsa led the group to the clearing where the crystal had been. Tiny pieces of the crystal were floating in the air, glowing faintly. Anna frowned. Didn't we melt that crystal? Elsa nodded. We did, but the magic is still here. Suddenly, the floating ice pieces swirled together. A cold wind blew, and an icy figure appeared. Its voice echoed like a deep winter storm. You healed the forest, but its magic is alive. You must prove you can protect it. The ground turned to ice. Tall walls of snow rose around them. Elsa stood tall. We'll do whatever it takes. The icy figure's voice boomed. Show me your courage, your strength, and your love. Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and Olaf began walking through the icy maze. Sharp winds tried to push them apart, but Anna held Elsa's hand tightly. When icy walls blocked their path, Kristoff used his strength to break through. When Olaf nearly froze, Elsa used her magic to warm him up. The group worked together, helping each other every step of the way. Elsa knew she couldn't do it alone, and she didn't have to. Finally, they reached the center of the maze. The icy figure appeared again. You have proven your heart is strong. The magic of the forest is safe with you. The icy walls melted, and the cold disappeared. The enchanted forest felt calm and peaceful again. The glowing shards of the crystal turned into tiny sparks and faded into the sky. Anna hugged Elsa. You did it. The forest trusts you now. Elsa smiled. We did it. Together. When they returned to Arendelle, the frost on the lake melted, and spring finally arrived. Elsa looked back at the forest, knowing its magic was alive and safe. As Olaf skipped happily ahead, Elsa held Anna's hand. She felt ready for anything, as long as they faced it together.